A competent EV connector should handle harsh environment. Laminated contact of EVH connector is developed by Jonhon for high voltage interconnection. This contact is universal. Both ends can be matched with flat pin quickly. Its laminated copper sheet structure expands conductive cross-sectional area, doubles the number of contacts. 18 contact points are symmetrically distributed on length of 17 millimeters. The contact has smooth cold-rolled copper surface. Roughness could be 0.4. Laminated contact has a structure of closed steel-clad copper. The core conductive copper alloy carries high current. The shell, stainless steel with creep resistance, provides stable normal force. About its ampacity, contact resistance is 0.08 milliohm. Under a rated current of 200 amps, the temperature rise is 35.4 Kelvin. The main conductive cantilever looks like a seesaw, which makes connection quick and easy. Integrated package and dual lens structure simplifies assembly and application of the contact. Insert the contact into the housing. Cover the insulation plate and insert the bus bar, then assembly is done. Laminated contact can be used in EV equipment such as battery and MCU.